contract for China-aided microgrid seawater desalination project in the Maldives. Thank you, Excellencies. For the final agreement, may I invite His Excellency Ahmad Nasim, Minister of Health, and Her Excellency Wang Lixin, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China, to the Maldives to sign the agreement on establishing a hospital assistance and cooperation program between the Ministry of Health of the Republic of Maldives and the National Health Commission of the People's Republic of China. Thank you, Excellencies. We will now see a short video presentation commemorating the 50th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between the two countries. The video presentation will be followed by the unveiling of the official logo in celebration of the 50th anniversary.
Maldives and China are two countries that are worlds apart. Yet, we strive for similar goals and aspirations. It is said that, centuries ago, Maldivian envoys made the perilous journey to the great land of China, bringing tributes and gifts and stories from islands afar. They came to be known as Molai, and gives credence to the ancient relations between the two peoples. It was in 1972 that both countries decided to rekindle their long-forgotten ties, ratified by the formal establishment of diplomatic relations between Maldives and China in October that year, with the Maldives reaffirming its commitment to the One China principle. In 2007 and 2011, both Maldives and China established their embassies in the capitals respectively, strengthening the engagements between two countries on a myriad of areas. The relationship between the two countries were further reinvigorated by the state visit in 2014 by His Excellency Xi Jinping, President of the People's Republic of China. The visit culminated in an unprecedented level of cooperation between Maldives and China, paving the way for the country to participate in the Belt and Road Initiative. What followed was a remarkable transformation of the country, from the Maldives-China Friendship Bridge to the housing units built in Hulumale. Maldivians began to reap the benefits of the generosity of China. The arrival of Chinese tourists and the people-to-people contact between Maldives and China continues to flourish to this day. Both countries have established a close relationship in the international sphere and in the United Nations, based on the principles of mutual respect and shared interests. Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, China came to the aid of the Maldives by providing vaccines and other essential medical supplies. Today, the Maldives count China amongst its closest friends and development partners. It is a friendship that has endured and stood the test of time for centuries. And as we celebrate this year as the 50th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic ties, the friendship between the Maldives and China continues to rise to new heights. Long live Maldives-China relations.
马中有谊，地久天长。
May I now invite State Councillor Wang Yi and Foreign Minister Shahid to press the button to unveil the official logo in celebration of the 50th anniversary. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the ceremony. Thank you.
mikinestini rajya China ya begam kademe duka bebun basunta ka gode hotum baby.
Hi, my name is Cassie, and I'm 16 years old. I've seen on social media that the new coronavirus outbreak has provoked a lot of social stigma and discrimination. This is harmful to not only those who suffer from it, but for everyone. Stigma can isolate people. It can drive people to hide their illness to avoid discrimination, and can even prevent them from seeking medical care. So it is very important to avoid stigmatizing people. And we can all do this. How? Basically, by understanding that words matter. Do talk about the new coronavirus, but don't attach locations or ethnicity to the disease. Do talk about people who have or may have COVID-19, people who died after contracting COVID-19, but don't refer to the people with the disease as COVID-19 cases or victims. Do talk about people acquiring or contracting COVID-19, but don't talk about people transmitting COVID-19, infecting others, or spreading the virus, as it implies intentional